Members of the Hill State People's Democratic Party or Hspdp had met on the 23rd of August 2021 to not only discuss the current law and order situation prevailing across the state, but to also discuss issues related to certain aims and objectives of the party. The president of the Hspdp, KP PANGNIANG, while speaking to the media, informed that the party has decided to honor and recognize the Hill State movement fighters of the APHLC and Hspdp who had once dedicated themselves to the movement towards the attainment of statehood. PANGNIANG further informed that a meeting of all party volunteers of both the Hspdp and the APHLC would be held on the 10th of November to take up this issue. The president of the Hspdp added that since Meghalaya would be celebrating its 50th year of statehood, a request would be made to the government to honor the Hill State movement fighters during the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the state in 2022.
Kum ka party ron san pulai tili isnem milaya. Kum ka jala Meghalaya menda kan rakhe ni lap san putili isnem ane ke di onga Golden Jubilee. De kum ka party ni le parhat bangin su dei ban klet no ye gitu ki Hill State fighter. Iba move ye ke Hill State hatu ko. Laka day jong ke APHLC जैसे कि ग्रुप हम तो किधर बट SPDP बरेगा मीनो हम hadin bang yo एक सब स्टेट कंडाई स्वान तो पा नी ले एक फुल फ्लेज स्टेट dengi pada ngidon sakalam ka role jong ka SPDP ba parat life ta ki spamu ki volunteers ni sha set pato ibadon like iban ri bana ibar bana iba kunta termo tingi yong bala ka state ka ni rakhi ni rap sanpu snem jong ka ni ke parti ni suri man ong babaro itu given bentala naduka bang ong mane juga jongka APHLC mo movement inam day one ket yaki nang ta itu ki ba join naga APHLC movement saga ni SPDP ya ta full state bang day one ket ku ba hoping ba ki na gala ni susi ba ong bangin ju snow ya keteng joki tingi bu kala jing kili ba hato kini ki day den ki built state fighter na ko bentara state of Meghalaya ti kum di kagi ni don ba spotring tu November Bintang je kedua jom baru di volunteer. Laka day jom APHLC lang ni jom ke SPDP bag ni don ni kita. Da at least ni sali. Bala da sarkar ka ya bikwa bag sarkar kan itu ke dia ki. Bagila sacrifice.
The Secretary of the Hspdp and Cabinet Minister Renington L. Tongkhar expressed his appreciation to the government for constituting an independent judicial inquiry into the death of the former General Secretary of the HNLC, Chesterfield Thankeo. Tongkhar also expressed his gratitude to the family members of the slain surrendered HNLC leader in cooperating with the government in the investigation process and also in propagating peace and harmony across all sections of the society, especially at a time when the public is furious and up against the government for the alleged killing of Chesterfield Thankeo in what was termed as a fake encounter.
We are all concerned about the situation that are prevailing here in the state of Meghalaya. But we appreciate also the step taken by the government. The government has taken prompt action to constitute a judicial inquiry, which is an independent inquiry. And we have full faith in this inquiry that the truth will come out. So we appreciate the step taken by the government, and the government is very serious in this matter, very serious to see that peace and normalcy come back to the state. And I'm happy to see that in these last few days nothing happened, and we see the calmness of the people. And I must put on record our appreciation from the party towards the family of Cheris Thankeo. They have expressed their willingness to wait for the report of this judicial inquiry, and they have also requested the people of the state in the state of Meghalaya not to bring any more agitation for this matter. So we really appreciate family members of Chesterfield Thankeo that they have come up and request the youth of the state and the people of the state to have patience and wait till the inquiry report comes up.